Article Writing Exercise 6 IGCSE ESL Crazy IGCSE. Points to consider before starting your article include audience, so you need to read the question and check who the audience is and accordingly write. You need to plan your article before writing. You need to decide whether you're writing a one-sided or two-sided article, and you're never forced to write only one-sided. You are given an option to write either one-sided or two-sided. Then you need to decide on how you need to introduce the topic. You can start off by saying what the topic is, how it's important in today's world, and why it's a problem, or is it a problem. Then decide on what's in the body paragraph. For that, you need to write down 3 points. If it is two-sided, write 2 pros and 2 cons. You will develop your body based on these points. A few points will be given in your question paper and you can use those too. How will you conclude the article? So you need to sum up your points and give your final opinion. If it is two-sided, give your final opinion on the matter. Organization for a one-sided article, and that means an opinion-based article. So paragraph 1 will be your introduction, paragraph 2 will be the first point with the justification, paragraph 3 will be the second point for justification, and paragraph 4 will be the opposing point which you're going to contradict, and then your opinion. And it is said by people who have different opinions from yours and explain why they are wrong. Paragraph 5 will be conclusion or summary, so you need to repeat your opinion. Organization for a two-sided article, which means a for and against article. Paragraph 1 will be introduction, paragraph 2 will be advantages, paragraph 3 will be disadvantages, paragraph 4 will be conclusion, and it should also include a final opinion or a recommendation. So the paragraph 1, 2 and 3 for a for and against article should not include opinions. Only paragraph 4, which is your conclusion, should include a opinion or a recommendation. And you can include fake statistics to make it look real. The language, you need to use good argumentative phrases or connecting words. So expressing opinions, you could use in my opinion, I believe that, I am in favor of, I am against the idea of, I sympathize with, it seems to me that. And language for contrasting opinions will be apart from that, even though, furthermore, in addition, moreover, nevertheless, and or, but, finally, lastly, despite the fact, on the other hand, on the contrary, whereas, besides, after all. Then the language for reasoning will be as a result of, due to that, consequently, therefore, hence, because of, on account of. Language for conclusion, to sum up, to conclude, I believe that, it can be concluded that, thus I am of the opinion that. Language, argumentative verbs could include claim, insist, argue, suggest, point out, maintain, assert. Few tips include try using your own points apart from the ones provided in the question paper. There should be a suitable title. You should write within the limit of 150 to 200 words. Organize your points into paragraphs. Punctuation, spelling and grammar should be accurate. There should be a final opinion in your for and against article and the conclusion. There should be introduction and conclusion. There should be time management, so you can complete this exercise 6 of article writing in half an hour, 10 minutes for the planning, 15 minutes for organization and writing article, 5 minutes to proofread for errors such as spelling, punctuation and grammar. So this is the end of our topic. Hope you found this video useful and informative. Thank you for watching Crazy IGCSE and please subscribe to my channel.